Hi friends. So last class we discussed what is mathematical logic and what are the statements or prepositions, and also uh, we discussed what is the meaning of the what is the truth values. Capital T stands for true, capital F stands for false, 1 and 0 respectively. So in this topic we are going to discuss about the connectivities. Connectives. So connectives is used to connect the two statements. Connect the two statements. What do you mean by statement? So statement means it is a declarative sentence which is having either true or false is known as a statement or preposition. So connectives are the words or phrases are used. These are known as the links. Simply links. These are the words used to combine two or more statements. Used to combine two or more statements. For example, if you take two statements, so first statement P, Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. And the second statement is Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Just I want to combine these two statements, and want to write in one statement or one preposition. So I can use the word or phrase and P and Q. What is P and Q? So Delhi is the capital of India and Mumbai is the financial capital of India. We'll discuss later. We'll discuss whether what is the truth values for these statements. What are the truth values for these statements? So observe the here. Here I am using the word and the phrase and to combine these two statements. To combine these two statements. So and is a connective. Like that, and there are some more words or phrases are there to combine the two statements, right? So one by one we'll discuss what is if I use and, what it is if I use or, what it is if I use implies, what it is if I use by implies, what it is, right? Let's suppose conjunction. So conjunction is nothing but it is a conjunction of two statements P and Q. So P and Q. P and Q are any two statements. P and Q are any two statements. So is the statement P and Q. So if I use the word and, between the two statements P and Q to combine these two statements, if I use the word and, then this is known as the conjunction. This one is known as conjunction. In the previous one, I used Delhi is the capital of India and Mumbai is the financial capital of India. There I use the word and I use the word and. So here P and Q. So if it is a conjunction, what is the truth table? So what is the truth table? So truth table we can use. What do you mean by truth table? Truth table we can use to check whether the statement conjunction is true or false. So how many statements are there? So two statements are there. So two statements are, whenever you are writing the truth tables, if two statements are there, then we'll get 2 power n. N means it is the number of statements, 2 square. So four truth values we'll get. So how to write the truth values? So first P, true, true, false, false. Then you can change Q, true, false, right? So means P either true, Q either true. P true, Q false. P false, Q true, P false, Q false. Like that. If two statements are there, then two square truth values will come. If three statements are there, then I'll get eight truth values. Let's suppose here I am taking only two only. So P and Q are any two statements. Two statements. If I use AND operator to combine these two statements, and so I am using AND. So if P and Q, if both are true, then only the conjunction is true. Why? Because and P true, Q true, then only P and Q is true. If P true, Q false. So I am using and means both are true, then only the conjunction is, the truth value for that conjunction is true, otherwise it is false. Whenever I am using the and word, so definitely P and Q both are true, then only it is true, otherwise it is false. So P is true, Q is true, then P and Q is true. P true, Q false, then P and Q is false. Similarly, P false, Q true, then P and Q is false. Same, continuous, right? So whenever I am using the and word to combine the two statements, then the statement is nothing but the conjunction. So conjunction is always true if both P and Q are true, otherwise it is always false. The truth value for P and Q is always false. Right? So one more example. P, it is raining today. P, it's raining today. Q is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Then what is P and Q? It is raining today and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Just sounds odd. Why? Because it is raining today. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. But it is combining these two. What is the meaning of raining today? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Both. So sounds odd, but in logic, it is perfectly acceptable. Now tell me what is the truth value for this one. So if let's suppose if P is equals to 2, true, Q is also true, then P and Q is also true. So and operator, then what is the conjunction here? It is raining today and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Similarly, just translate the following statement. Jock and Jill went up the hill into symbolic form using conjunction. So two statements. What is the two statements? It is connected with the word and. So Jock went up the hill is one statement. Jill went up the hill is another statement. So disjunction, conjunction as well as the disjunction. What is disjunction? Disjunction is nothing but if the two statements are combined with the word are, then the statements are nothing but the disjunction. P, R, Q. So already this symbol stands for R, P, R, Q. So if any one of the statements is true, then always it is P or Q is true. Either P or Q. If any one of the statement is true, then the disjunction is true. Otherwise, it is false. So how many statements are there? Two statements are there. Therefore, we will get 2 square. 4 truth values for this truth table. P, Q, P, R, Q. Right? So clearly, it shows that. So any one of P and Q is true, then the disjunction is also true. Otherwise, it is false. Otherwise, it is false. Consider the following statements. I shall go to the game. One statement. Second statement. I shall watch the game on television. P or Q. I shall go to the game or I can watch the game on television. So, conjunction, disjunction. Conjunction we use if two statements are combined with the word and. Disjunction are the two statements if the two statements are combined with the word are. Right? So negation. What do you mean by negation? Negation is nothing but not. If P is any statement, so if I put not in front of the statement, then that is nothing but the negation. So P, negation of P. So if P is true, what is the negation of P? False. Obviously, it is false. So if P is false, what is the negation of P? True. So the negation of a statement is generally formed by the writing the word not at the proper place in the statement or in the preposition. Then the statement with the correct place. It is not the case that if P denotes the statement, then the negation of P is written as negation of P and read as not P. So already symbols, already in the first video, previous video, we have checked the symbols and operator, or operator, negation of P, and as well as the implies. Consider the statement. Kolkata is a city. Kolkata is a city. What is the negation of P? Kolkata is not a city. But Kolkata is not a city. So implies. So if P and Q are any two statements or any two propositions, then the statement P implies Q, which is read as if P then Q, if P then Q, is called the conditional statement, or implication, and the connective is the conditional connective, and the connective is the conditional connective, and the connective is the conditional connective, right? So the truth table for this one, PQ, two statements are there, so 4. PQ, P implies Q. If P, then T. If P, then only T, then only Q. If P, then Q. If P, then Q, right? So this is just like we can use this one as a formula. So P, if P is true, Q is true, then only true. If P is true, Q is false, 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 true, true, false, false, true. So except in one case, remember all these truth tables are very, 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 very important. So these two, all the truth tables we can use in the next videos also. So P and Q is very easy. P or Q is very easy. P implies Q. P implies Q. If P is true and Q is false, then only the P implies Q is false. Otherwise, it is always true. Otherwise, it is always true. It is always true. This is implies. In this conditional statement, P is called the hypothesis or premise or antecedent, and it is called consequence, or and Q is called the consequence or conclusion. Let's suppose translate the following statement using the implies. The crop will be destroyed if there is a flood, into symbolic form. So two statements. What are the two statements? The crop will be destroyed is one statement. Second statement is there is a floods. So let us write in the, so what is, if there is a flood, then the crop will be destroyed. If there is a word, then the crop will be destroyed. And here it is Q implies P. Lot of difference between P implies Q and Q implies P. Q implies P. What is the hypothesis is that Q is the hypothesis. What is the hypothesis? If there is a floods, if there is a floods is a hypothesis, then the crop will be destroyed. Is a consequence. Floods, if there is a flood, then the crop will be destroyed. So P is the hypothesis. Means Q is the hypothesis and P is a consequences. Right? Similarly, last one, by implies. What is by implies? If P, if and only if, I use the word if and only if and only if P and Q are any two statements, then the statement P by implies Q, which is read as P if and only if, and it is abbreviated as P if and only if, is called biconditional statement, and the connective is biconditional connective, the truth table for biconditional. If both are true or both are false, then only P by implies Q is true, otherwise it is false. Otherwise it is false. Right? So total four connectives we discussed: conjunction, disjunction, implies, and by implies. So if I use the word and to combine the two statements, then it is nothing but the conjunction. If I use the word or to connect the two statements, then it is disjunction. So if then it is implies. If and only if, biconditional. Right? So the truth tables are very, very important to discuss in the further classes also. Right?